guys, welcome to Explore Pipes, and in today's episode we are going to explore a farm, and the name of the farm is CEETEES farm, and let's see what is awaiting. So let's get in. This is the entrance and you can see the parking area. If you come, you can also park your car inside the farm. Wow! Can you hear the birds chirping? They are surrounded with a natural habitat, even though they are caged. Here you can see a playground. Some people are playing over there now. You can see. Lots of plants are over here. Among them is agati. It is highly medicinal. Agati's leaves and flower are edible. Here you can see a fish tank where there are so many fish. Here you can see a bridge above the fish tank. And look, there are so many fishes. This leads to a special arrangement for birds. Here in the right corner, there is peacocks. You can see white peacocks. It's so beautiful over here. Wow, here you can see water splashing out of tree trunk. What a creativity. So it will be easier for peacocks to drink water. You can see peahens and peacocks. A model of Dubai frame is also made inside. Here you can see nests are provided for birds, and you can also see eggs of pigeons. A pigeon takes 17 to 19 days to hatch. You can see the ducks in a separate area. So beautiful to see. They are also provided water. See, nice to hear that water splashing sound, right? You can see vegetables are also grown, brinjal, cabbage, etc. This is commonly known as a riku plant and is very highly medicinal. This is a brinjal plant. This is different from other brinjals. It is green in color. These are tomato plants and you can see drip irrigation given. Hens and cocks are seen here. Hearing this after a long time. Precious. And now to the cows area. Oh, one is coming near us. Oh, Brother is touching it. First time seeing touching a cow. But I didn't touch. I thought it will eat my hand. Nice. First time seeing cows near. See, drumstick are seen in the trees. Wow. These are ladyfinger plants. See, ladyfingers are grown. These are creeper vegetables like pumpkins. This is date palm area and we went inside seeing a black cat. This is the person who takes care of the whole farm, and milk, curd and eggs are available at the farm. After all, we spent 1 hour in the farm. It was so much fun. We also bought milk and eggs. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.